Barato nga balay in Tugbok for as low as 20,000 per month down payment. Diri lang sa Mahogany South, Davao City. Tara, sudlon na to ang bungalow with loft na model unit. By the way, ang regular cut sa lot area sa bungalow with loft is 100 square meters and ang floor area niya is 64.85 square meters. So you have your living space here, you have your dining space here, and you have your kitchen area here. By the way, upon turnover, semi-furnished ang unit. It means walay gamit, walay furnitures. No? Cabinets are not included also except this one. Okay? So, appeal na niya pag turnover. So, here you have your common toilet and bath, and you have your access also here to your lanay. It can also be an extension kung gusto ka magpabuhat og laundry area or extension sa imong kitchen area. So, kani sa ground floor, no, you have also your first room in this area. So, initially, this is a dress-up unit. So, pwede nyo maibutang ang imong single bed and also your cabinetry here in this area. On this side, this is considered to be your master's bedroom. You can have your double-sized bed here. You can have your cabinetry here. And this room comes with its own toilet and bath. Mauna ni siya. At least na kay privacy, no? The good thing about this unit kay naa siya loft. So, it means you have a bigger space kung naa kay extra nga mga visitor, no, or pwede pud nimo siya buhaton na working space. Taas pud ang iyang ceiling height, no, so mas taas pa sa kuha. So here you have your good view, no. So actually mao ni ang location jud sa Mahogany South kaning sa area nga ni. So the view, no. So here it can be an entertainment area. Pwede nimo ipalak then ipa-AC nimo, and you can put your cabinetry here, or pwede pud nimo buhaton siya nga extra room. Okay? So if you're interested to own this unit, message me for more details. Thank you for watching.